Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And if you have never been here before, welcome, welcome. Let me extend a big warm welcome to you. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend a part of your day with me. And in today's video, I am super excited because today we are teaming up again, me and some of my friends here on the platform, to bring you a video today about the brands that we would love to try in 2021. The team of collaborators includes Stacey over at Flawed and Fabulous, Jessica Vargus over at Makeup with Jessica Vargus, Debbie No Block over at Debutawn. Also, of course, hey, itsAmanda. Also, Tina at Tina's Health and Beauty World usually joins in, and Bobbie at Bobbie Loves Beauty. So that's the group that kind of joins in on these, but sometimes there may or may not be someone missing if life events come up and they may not can make it. Sometimes I've missed my own collab. I hate to say that, but I have. Life events happen, but usually for the most part, that's the collab gang. All of the gang's channels will be linked down in my description box, as well as up in the iCards. So just go on over and click on their channels and give those guys some love. Go ahead and subscribe, like their video, and comment on their video, and see what they have to offer as far as brands that they are interested in trying. Go ahead, sit back and relax. We're going to be getting into the video, and don't forget, click on that subscribe button, set your notifications to all so that you don't miss a video, and we'll get into the video right now, guys. So let's go ahead and talk about the first brand that I'm definitely hoping to try in 2021, and that is 50/50 Makeup. And I was actually introduced to this brand by my good friend and Chris over on the channel Beauty by and Chris, and we have teamed up at the end of the year this year. This brand is actually a brand that is based out of the Netherlands, and this brand is very, very interesting to me. They have a lot of fun, bright colored makeup. It's just, the palettes really call to me, and I'm really, really excited to get in there and try this brand. They seem to be pretty affordable, on the line of around 15 pounds. They have like 9-pan palettes that are just fun. So I'm really going to keep my eye on this brand and try to get my hands on some of these palettes and give the formula a try and report back to you and let you know how this brand performs, so that maybe if these palettes and the color story interest you, you can try this brand out as well. The next brand that is on my radar for sure is Menagerie Cosmetics. They have some of the cutest palettes out there, and people seem to rave on their formulas. I have not heard any bad reviews on their palettes, and they've got the cutest palettes. I'm definitely interested in getting my hands on some of these palettes. The Arthurine, the Pastel Pup, They are just absolutely beautiful to me. Do you have any experience with the brand at all? Let me know down in the comments if you have either of these two palettes, as far as the Arthurine or the Pastel Pup. I would love to know if you have any thoughts on this brand from experience. Please do let me know down in the comments below. I am looking for feedback on this brand, or 50/50 Makeup if you have any thoughts, any experience. If you have tried this brand or any of the brands that I talk about today, please do leave your thoughts in the comments below. Next up, I am very interested and will be trying the Jill Stewart brand. This is a brand that Beautylish carries. I have placed my first order and I am going to be trying that this year. The packaging is so beautiful that I am just enraptured with this brand. So I cannot wait to bring you my review of the brand and do a video on the pieces that I have placed my order for. So be looking for that on my channel. I am definitely going to be reviewing the brand from Jill Stewart. The next brand for me is Midas Cosmetics. I tried to get the Smoky Glow collab with Midas and I was unsuccessful, but I am extremely interested in Midas Cosmetics. So I have not ever purchased anything from Midas and I am very intrigued by the brand. Have you tried anything? Did you get the Smoky Glow collab? What are your thoughts if you did? I would love to hear about that from you. I'm very, very interested in this brand. It doesn't seem to be a brand that is overly priced. It seems to be a brand that has a good formula from what I can tell. So yeah, I'm very, very interested in trying Midas. So they are on my radar. Odins Eye. I am definitely going to be hauling some Odins Eye this year. I have heard so many positive things about this brand. There are so many different palettes from this brand that I just have not made up my mind where to start with Odins Eye. I just have not decided what series I want to go with. I have not decided exactly what I'm wanting to purchase from them. I'm just intrigued and I get enraptured on their website and I can't make up my mind. What is it that I think is the most beautiful? Because this Salmon series, I'm not even sure I'm not even sure how to say it. What I am sure of is that I'm butchering the name. But it is so pretty. I'm just enthralled. I'm captivated. I just get lost on the website. So the Nature Elf series from Odins Eye is absolutely gorgeous. These are the ones that I really, really want to start with. The longer pans. Have you hauled anything from Odins Eye? Do you own anything from Odins Eye? What do you suggest? Would you start with the mini Alva series? The Alva 2 mini palettes, would you start with those? Or would you go for the larger palettes? The larger pans in the Alva 2 mini palettes, they are saying that they are a, what they're calling a diamond glitter eyeshadow. And what sort of worries me about that is that how glittery are those? With my age being over 50, is it going to show too much texture on my eyelids or not? That's the only thing that worries me about those. So would I be better off to get the larger pans? I don't know. That's my only question about which do I get. What palette do I get? But I love the highlighter palette. So I'm really, really interested in Odins Eye for the highlighter palettes as well. So yes, I'm very excited to try something this year, during this year from Odins Eye. So if you know anything about the texture of the Diamond Glitter eyeshadows in the mini palettes, please do comment down below and give me some advice on that. I would love to hear from you if you have any of these palettes or any experience with Odins Eye. The next brand is going to be Myali or Mayali. I'm not exactly sure how you say it. The name will be written right across the bottom of the screen. This brand definitely I will be trying in 2021 because they had a sale and I hauled a palette or two maybe from this brand, and I am awaiting the arrival. I was turned on by my friend Beauty by Ann Chris, and this company is still having their mega sale where everything is 50% off. And so you use the code Myali's Mega Sale. But these palettes are absolutely just beautiful to look at, and I'm so hoping, and Chris is really a big fan of these. So I went ahead and just bit the bullet, and I got the Ayyyeee and the Yasmin, and so the Ayyyeee is out of stock, so I couldn't get that. But I am really, really excited to be able to show this on my channel because these palettes are just stunning, and I am so excited to test out this brand. I think it's a brand that very few people know about. I know that I most certainly did not know about this brand until my friend Ann Chris turned me on to it. Thank you so much, Ann, for turning me on to some of these great brands, and I cannot wait to give this one a try. But definitely I will be trying this one in 2021. So yeah, if you have tried this brand though, and you have experience with it, let me know how it's performing for you and what you think about it. I am really excited about my order from this brand, and I'm excited to get it in, excited to show it on my channel, and to let you know what I think about it. So stay tuned for that review. The next brand that I had on my list to try for this year is LeLe Posh. And I'm happy to say I know for a fact I will be trying LeLe Posh because I was lucky enough to get LeLe Posh their mystery bag just maybe a week ago, whenever they're at the end of 2020, I was lucky enough to get the mystery bag. So when that does arrive, I will be doing a mystery bag haul from LeLe Posh, and I will be trying that brand finally in 2021. I will be able to experience LeLe Posh for myself. I am so excited about that. So yes, that is going to wrap up my brands for 2021 that are on my radar to try during this year. So hopefully I will be successful in trying each of these brands. I have made quite a dent already. So yeah, what is on your list of brands to try for 2021? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have tried any of the brands that I'm hoping to try and you have experience with these brands, let me know what that experience is. Whether good or bad, I would love to hear from you regarding these brands. Any suggestions, tips on what to pick up, what is good from the brand, what are the stellar products, what I should start out with first from the brands. I would appreciate any advice that you have on the brands that I'm looking to pick up. Please do leave that down in the comments. Also, if you're here from any of the other young ladies' channels, hi, my name is Jeannie. It is very, very nice to meet you. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I would love it if you took the time to click the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the family over here on this channel at Unfiltered 50s. Again, we do a lot of fun things here on this channel: unboxings, new makeup reviews, makeup hauls, get ready with me's, lives, all kinds of fun things. And I would love to have you a part of this family as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look so forward to seeing you in the next one. But till then, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye till next time.